Imagine a world where your smartphone stays connected no matter where you are. In the middle of a desert, on top of a mountain, or sailing across the ocean. Full bars, fast speeds, no dead zones. This future isn't just possible, it's already being built. Satellites are set to replace traditional cell towers by 2035, revolutionizing the way we connect to the internet and each other. In this video, we'll break down how it's happening, the companies leading the way, and what it means for all of us. Let's dive in. 1. Why traditional cell towers are limited. Right now, mobile networks rely heavily on millions of cell towers scattered across the planet. They work great in cities and suburbs, but they have big limitations. Remote and rural areas often have poor or no signal. Towers are expensive to build, maintain, and upgrade. Natural disasters, vandalism, and aging infrastructure can easily take them offline. As mobile data demand skyrockets driven by streaming, gaming, and remote work, cell towers alone are struggling to keep up. We need a more flexible, scalable solution. And that's where satellites come in. 2. How satellite networks work differently. Unlike cell towers that serve small ground areas, satellites can cover massive regions from space. There are two main types of communication satellites. Geostationary satellites, orbiting 35,786 kilometers above Earth, they stay fixed over one spot. Low Earth orbit, LEO satellites, much closer to Earth, around 500 to 2,000 kilometers up. They move quickly and form a dynamic network. The new push toward LEO constellations is what's making satellite-based mobile networks practical. These satellites create a web of coverage that moves with the Earth, providing low latency, high-speed internet, and phone connectivity across the globe. No towers, no local infrastructure, just direct device-to-satellite communication. 3. The companies leading the satellite revolution. Several major players are racing to make satellite-based mobile networks a reality. Starlink, SpaceX, already operating thousands of LEO satellites, aiming to offer global broadband and direct-to-cell service. ST, Space Mobile, building a space-based cellular network that connects directly to standard smartphones without needing special hardware. Amazon's Project Kuiper, planning to launch over 3,000 satellites for broadband and mobile coverage. OneWeb, focused on delivering internet connectivity in hard-to-reach areas with its growing satellite constellation. Even traditional telecom giants like AT&T and T-Mobile are partnering with satellite companies to integrate space connectivity into their services. The goal? Universal, reliable coverage even in places where cell towers could never reach. 4. Why satellites could replace towers by 2035. There are several reasons why satellites are poised to take over. Remote villages, oceans, deserts everywhere becomes reachable. Satellites aren't affected by floods, earthquakes, or fires like ground infrastructure is. Once launched, satellites require less maintenance compared to millions of towers. New technologies allow regular smartphones to connect directly to satellites without needing bulky antennas. By 2035, satellite networks could become the primary method of mobile connectivity, with traditional cell towers becoming backups in cities and dense areas. 5. Challenges to overcome. Despite the incredible promise, there are still hurdles to clear. LEO satellites offer low latency, but managing seamless handoffs between fast-moving satellites is complex. Satellite services today can be expensive. Prices need to drop for mass adoption. Countries have different rules about space-based communications, and international cooperation is tricky. With tens of thousands of satellites planned, avoiding collisions and managing orbital debris is a growing concern. Solving these problems will be key to making satellite-driven mobile networks truly mainstream by 2035. The days of relying solely on cell towers are numbered. Satellites are emerging as the next frontier of mobile communication, bringing fast, reliable connectivity to every corner of the Earth. By 2035, the idea of losing signal because you're out of range could become a thing of the past. The future is one where space and technology come together, not just for astronauts and scientists, but for everyone with a smartphone in their pocket. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.